Okay, so this problem here wants to know an equation in standard form that passes through the point 4, 1 and has a slope of negative 1 over 3. So let's see, what do we have? Well, we have a point and we have a slope. So I'm going to put this into point slope form. Okay, so first I'm going to put this equation into slope form. Y minus y1 equals x minus x1, and now I'm going to plug it in. So I have y minus y1, this is my y here in the point, minus 1 equals my slope, negative 1 over 3, x minus x1, which is 4. Okay, so now this is point slope form. Okay, and now let's just kind of convert this. So I have y minus 1 equals negative 1/3 x plus 4 over 3. And now remember, with standard form, remember that is my ax plus by equals c. So I want my x and my y's all together. So I think the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add my 1/3 x to both sides. So I'm left with 1/3 x plus y minus 1 equals 4 over 3. And now I want to move this constant, so I'm going to add 1 to both sides. So I'm left with 1/3 x plus y equals 7/3. And now with this being in standard form, I need to get rid of my fraction. So I'm going to multiply all of this by 3. So that would be x plus 3y equals 7. And then looking at my answer choices, that's it. A is the only one.